Guys, today I want to introduce you to one of the most fascinating trends right now, a trend called brain rot. This new wave has completely taken over Gen Alpha, and every day new channels are popping up and making incredible income. These videos feature strange, funny, and sometimes totally meaningless characters, yet they're unbelievably addictive. Things you might have only imagined or seen in Hollywood movies are now being created with artificial intelligence and simple software. So let me show you a few channels that have gone viral with this trend. Razor 3D, a new channel that's only been around for a month, but it creates and tells stories with 3D characters. It features characters like Cappuccina in hilarious and engaging adventures. The result? Explosive growth in views and a bright future. Hornstrong. This channel has been around for a few years, but 2 months ago it changed its content and joined the brain rot wave. This change of direction has made it visible again, and its growth has multiplied. A great example of how adapting to trends means success. 3D channels. Boompy designs characters in 2D and tells stories. It's simpler, but it's exactly on the right wave. This means that even with simple tools, you can enter this market and grow. Other examples. Today we have even more creative combinations, like Optimus Prime fighting a giant crocodile, or combining Squid Game with brain rot memes. This simple idea made a 1-minute video get over 20 million views and generate $10,000 in revenue. The market is still full of empty opportunities. For example, combining zombie worlds with brain rot characters. A channel that implemented this idea has received 1 million views per video in just the last 2 months. This means that the space is not yet filled, and there is room for growth. Guys, the idea is the same: strange characters, plus simple narrative, plus current trends. It doesn't matter if you make it 3D or 2D. What's important is to ride the wave before the market becomes saturated. Now enter ChatGPT. I will put the prompts in Telegram. You just need to copy and paste them into ChatGPT. Instantly ready-made text and ideas will be created for you. Then you can take these texts directly into tools like SkillEarly and create your first ready-made video in minutes. This is the secret that many channels have used to reach 1 million views and $1,000 in revenue in just 1 month. Now enter SkillEarly. If you have an idea in your mind, just write it. With SkillEarly, you can convert text into images, videos, audio, or even 3D models. Everything is done very quickly, simply, and creatively. This site is one of the most complete artificial intelligence tools that provides you with many features such as VO3, text-to-video, Haluo, Tripo, image-to-3D, Runway Aleph Video, Luma Ray 2, image-to-video, music generate and image generate, and dozens of other tools. Just enter the site, register, and get started. I also put the link to the site in the description. Now that you have registered and logged into the dashboard, click on the Tools option from the top menu. There are dozens of different tools in this section that I mentioned earlier. Each is designed for a specific task. To start, we will go to Image Generate. So click on the next option and then select Image Generate. Now you will enter a page where you need to specify the image or video generation model. In the Select Mode section, there are several different models such as GPT Image, Flux Pro Ultra, and a few others. In this tutorial, I choose Flux Pro Ultra because it has higher quality. Next, you need to copy the prompt you got from ChatGPT and enter it in the special box. This is the ready-made command that tells the artificial intelligence what to generate. After entering the prompt, go to the aspect ratio section and select the image or video size. For example, you can choose 9:16 for vertical videos or 16:9 for YouTube videos. When everything is ready, click Generate. Now the model will start processing and prepare the output for you. You should repeat the same process for each prompt you got from ChatGPT. Enter the prompts one by one, and let SkillEarly convert them all into images or videos. This way, you have a content production line. The idea is created in ChatGPT, and then it will be converted into images, videos, or 3D models in SkillEarly. This is the method that many successful channels use today. Now go back to the dashboard and click on the Tools option. This time we want to convert the created images to video. There are different tools for this, such as VO3, Kling, Halo, Runway, Luma, and a few other options. Each of these tools has its own unique features, but in this tutorial I choose the Kling tool because it is both high quality and easy to work with. After entering Kling, in the Select Mode section you can see the different models that this tool offers. Choose one of them based on your needs. Then enter the desired image that you have previously created. In the prompt section you can write additional descriptions or commands so that the final video is more accurately what you expect. In the aspect ratio section, you need to select the aspect ratio. For example, if you plan to publish the video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, it is better to choose a 9:16 ratio. But if you want a horizontal video for YouTube or other platforms, a 16:9 ratio is more suitable. The next option is duration. Here you need to specify the duration of the video, for example 5 seconds or 10 seconds. In the mode section, you can also specify whether the output should be made in standard mode or pro. Pro mode has higher quality but consumes more time and resources. Finally, click Generate and wait a few moments for the AI to create your video. Repeat the same steps for all the images you have previously generated with ChatGPT and SGen AI. Now it's time to get into the editing program. One by one, add all the videos you created in the previous steps to the timeline. In the first step, choose a suitable background music and place it at the beginning of the video. The music should have a rhythm that matches the theme of the video, not too quiet that it becomes boring, and not too busy that it distracts the audience. Then start arranging the different sections. Each clip you have created should be exactly in its right place. It is better to arrange them in such a way that the audience feels like they are following a story from beginning to end. This is what makes even short videos have a great impact on the viewer. Once all the clips are in place, watch the entire video again. If a section is too long, shorten it. If the rhythm is slow somewhere, speed it up a little. Some scenes may need to be zoomed in a little to make a greater impact on the viewer. These small changes can multiply the quality of your work. Don't forget about effects and animations. Adding a few simple motion effects, color changes, or even smooth transitions between scenes will make your video look more professional. But be careful not to overdo it. The goal is to make the video more interesting, not to make it look busy and confusing. Now carefully review all the sections again. If there are any errors, fix them right there. The cleaner and more precise your video is, the better your chances are of attracting your audience and keeping them watching until the end. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Choose the best possible quality so that your video looks great on both mobile and desktop. After exporting, upload the final file to your YouTube channel. Don't forget to include a catchy title, complete description, and the right tags, as these also have a direct impact on the growth of your video. If you continue this process and produce videos regularly, you can be sure that you will soon reach millions of views like the channels I introduced. This means thousands of dollars in income per month, just by using new trends and tools that are available to all of us today. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next tutorials. Your support will allow me to create better and more complete content for you. And now it's time to see the result. The video we created together, step by step, is ready to be broadcast. So watch carefully and get inspired. Until the next video, goodbye.
Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, dancing in the light, oh la-la. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, moving to the night, oh la-la. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, faster, higher, here we go. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, echoes flying in the sky. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, sing it louder, don't be shy. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, dreaming in a neon glow. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la, tra-la-little, tra-la-la, slow. Tra-la-little, tra-la-la.